Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to clean your Suburban RV furnace. First, always prioritize safety by disconnecting both the power and gas supply to your RV. Next, gather your essential tools, including a shop vacuum, various brushes, and a screwdriver set. It is crucial to ensure the furnace has completely cooled down before you begin any work to avoid potential burns. Following these initial steps will prepare you for a safe and effective cleaning process. Once safety is secured, locate and carefully remove the exterior access panel of your Suburban RV furnace. This step will expose the internal components you need to clean. Use a soft bristled brush and a shop vacuum to thoroughly clear any accumulated dirt, dust, or insect nests from the outside vent. Also, take a moment to inspect both the exhaust and intake vents for any signs of blockages, ensuring proper airflow. Now, focus on the interior. Use your vacuum with a narrow attachment to meticulously clean the blower wheel and its motor housing, removing all dust and debris. Next, gently brush the burner assembly and the igniter to clear any carbon buildup or residue that might affect performance. While you are inside, take a moment to carefully inspect all electrical connections, ensuring they are tight and free from any signs of corrosion. This helps maintain reliable operation. After cleaning, carefully reassemble the access panel, ensuring it is securely fastened. Then, reconnect both the power and gas supplies to your RV. The final step is to test the furnace operation, confirming that it ignites and heats properly. Regular cleaning, perhaps once or twice a year, will significantly extend your furnace's lifespan and efficiency. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your RV experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.